Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the USPS mobile app on a device. Now to download the USPS mobile app on a device, you need to simply go on App Store on a device and search USPS. Now after clicking this, you'll see the various options. So you need to click on the option of USPS Mobile on a device. So it is also known as United States State Portal Service. So you need to click on the option of Get, which is highlighted in blue, to install it on a device. So click on the option of Get, and as you can see that you need to verify yourself to install it. So click on the option of install and it will verify by itself, or it may also ask you to enter your Apple ID password, or you need to show your face to verify it so that you are installing it. So as you can see that it has already been installed. Now you may simply click on the option of open to open it on device and use the USPS. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.